Hello friends, Dr. Darnell here with the video I promised I was going to do on the top benefits of the nutrient carnosine in the human body. And as usual, if you have concerns about your health, please consult your healthcare provider. This video is for entertainment purposes only. First of all, carnosine is a naturally occurring compound made in the body by two amino acids. First, there's histidine, which is an essential amino acid vital for growth, tissue repair, and making blood cells. And secondly, beta-alanine, which is a building block of carnosine. We can get carnosine in our diet from eating meats like beef, pork, chicken, and fish, and for vegans, peas, soybeans, and some mushrooms. An article by Brittany Lubeck stated that carnosine has many benefits that might include diabetes control, improved muscle function, prevention of Alzheimer's disease by protecting the brain from inflammation, and build strong bones and reduce the risk of cancer. She did note, however, that more clinical studies and trials are needed for more conclusive results. Dr. Lisa Tully and renowned scientist David Schmidt have studied and found that carnosine produces some very amazing results, including the findings that carnosine may be the principal nutrient for keeping the body young as we grow older. David Schmidt noted in a YouTube video that past clinical studies found that if carnosine is elevated in mice and rats, it increases their lifespan by 30 to 40%. And you might ask, how's that? Well, it's by keeping the telomeres from shortening, which are found at the end of our DNA chromosomes, which control the number of times that cells divide. And each time a cell divides, those telomeres shorten, acting like a biological clock. So when they get too short, the cell stops dividing and the cell dies, thereby contributing to the aging process. Therefore, if carnosine is elevated daily, it then slows down that process. So according to the study, if we apply this to humans and daily elevate our carnosine levels, we can potentially increase our lifespan by 30 to 40%. Furthermore, scientist David Schmidt noted that another study found that people over the age of 60 could restore long-term and short-term memory, and the speed in which the brain function improved when carnosine was elevated. And Brittany Lubeck's article stated that there's a lot of research and evidence showing carnosine's effect on muscle function, exercise performance, and cognitive health, which make it a promising therapeutic intervention for healthy aging. Additionally, the National Institute on Health states that carnosine has a number of beneficial antioxidant properties and might alleviate diabetic neuropathy by protecting certain cells and slowing down the aging process. The article also stated that part of the carnosine component, namely the amino acid beta-alanine, is particularly interesting as a dietary supplement for some athletes because it increases and improves the effectiveness of exercise and the stimulation of contraction in muscles. So in conclusion, based on the scientific research that I read, it seems that keeping your carnosine levels up will support your overall wellness routine. So if you want me to send you the articles that I read and other information, message me in the comments and I'll be happy to share it with you, as well as a way to keep your carnosine levels up without supplements and pills. Thank you, God bless you, and I'll see you again soon.